Keeping plants in your bedroom can enhance the ambiance, improve air quality, and even promote better sleep. Here are 8 plants that are particularly well suited for bedroom environments. 1. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. Benefits. Known for its air-purifying qualities, the snake plant releases oxygen at night, helping improve air quality and potentially aiding in better sleep. Care. It's low maintenance, requiring minimal watering and can tolerate low light conditions. 2. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Benefits. Aloe vera purifies the air by removing toxins and also releases oxygen at night. It has healing properties for skin and can be used for minor cuts and burns. Care. Requires bright, indirect light and watering every 3 weeks or so. 3. Lavender, Lavandula. Benefits. Lavender is well known for its relaxing fragrance, which can reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Care. Needs bright light and well-drained soil. Water sparingly, especially in winter. 4. Jasmine, Jasminum. Benefits. Jasmine's pleasant scent has been shown to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Care. Prefers bright, indirect light and moist, well-drained soil. 5. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Benefits. Excellent at purifying the air, the spider plant can remove toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene. Care. Thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Keep the soil slightly moist. 6. English ivy, Hedera helix. Benefits. Known for its air-purifying properties, English ivy can help reduce airborne mold and other allergens. Care. Prefers moderate, indirect light and slightly moist soil. 7. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Benefits. Peace lilies are great for removing toxins from the air, such as benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Care. Needs low to moderate light and should be kept consistently moist but not soggy. 8. Areca palm, Dipsis lutescens. Benefits. This palm is effective at purifying the air and increasing humidity, which can be beneficial for respiratory health. Care. Prefers bright, indirect light and should be watered regularly to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. General tips for bedroom plants. 1. Light. Ensure that your plants receive the appropriate amount of light. Some plants thrive in low light, while others need bright, indirect light. 2. Watering. Overwatering is a common mistake. Make sure the soil is suitable for the plant and allow it to dry out between waterings. 3. Air circulation. Good air circulation helps prevent mold and pests. Avoid placing plants too close to each other. 4. Temperature and humidity. Most bedroom-friendly plants prefer stable temperatures and moderate humidity. Avoid placing plants near drafts or heating, cooling vents. By selecting the right plants and providing proper care, you can create a calming, healthy environment in your bedroom.